Good morning. It's Wednesday, December 7th, 2016, and I'm doing this very brief video from the car. I'm actually here again on the grounds of the courthouse, getting ready to go inside. Court begins at 10, so I'm sitting outside trying to get my thoughts and my mind together. I have no idea what's going to happen today, as I was told yet again that the matter should proceed, as in trial should begin today. But as you know, we've been told that countless times and nothing has happened. So I can't help but wonder what other delayed tactic is going to be presented today. I don't know, but I'm here. Again, I'm sitting here looking at the accused and his family members fraternizing with the jurors. That part really boggles me. I can't seem to get my mind around that, but it is the reality. So here we are. I'll turn the camera around just for a second so you can see what the setup is here and get an understanding of what I'm saying. So here we go. Here we go. Yep, this is the St. Thomas, I guess, judicial branch of the courthouse. And I'm sitting in the car waiting for 10 o'clock, which it is now. So it's starting. People are being called. So I'll see you later. Love you. Journey to free. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Hey, I'm sneaking a video inside the courtroom. I'm in another courtroom just awaiting to be called back because the jurors were just selected, and apparently I couldn't be in there. I was asked to be removed, as well as the arresting officer. So we're sitting in another courtroom and we're waiting to be called back in. So the doctors that were subpoenaed are here, and they apparently are going to be talking to him in front of the jurors to see if he's fit enough to stand trial. I wish that they could have had the tape. I could have been recording all the drama that just ensued. I am here and I am waiting. I don't know what's happening next door. I can just imagine, because he has become an award-winning actor trying to hide this camera while this other court is in session. But I hope you can hear me. We can only wait and see what's going to happen. Let's see, what am I feeling currently? I'm thankful. I'm feeling all of these emotions, and I'm actually feeling a bit not scared. Could this be it? Could we really be moving forward after all this time and all the delayed tactics? I don't know. This remains to be seen. I've actually gotten to the point now where, as much as I want to be excited and all of that, and there's a little bit of a reservation, because of course there's so much that has happened, but we're here. What could happen? The jurors say he can't hear, and they actually succeed in convincing the jurors of that lie, or the jurors could possibly see through the charade and decide that this matter can't proceed. I don't know what else the defense attorney could possibly pull at this time, even though I put nothing past him, because he tried for 3 other things this morning. I'll back and give an update as the day progresses. Journey to free. Yeah, I'll be back in a bit. Bye. Love you guys. Hey, so here we are. It's 11 o'clock. And we've been sitting patiently waiting. The doctors are here, the judge is here, my lawyer is here. We're all here and we're waiting. And guess who's not here? Yeah, another delayed tactic. Only God knows at this point. But I'm still on the grounds, and yes, the defense team, in fact, no one from the defense team is here. Oh yeah, no one. So we're just waiting to see at what point this man is going to show up and what is going to happen. I can't say right now. I see them looking out. Even the jurors, everyone is here except the defense team. It's not laughable, but I guess you just gotta laugh at this point because you see it, you see the ball, and it is what it is. This is justice system for you in St. Thomas, Jamaica. What are you supposed to do at this point? But I just have to sit and wait patiently. If he shows, he shows. If he doesn't, hey, it's another day of a delayed or postponed trial. But I'm here and we're waiting, and I'll be back to give you an update. I'll be back. All right, love you guys. Bye. Okay, so this one is a really brief update. I just ran back outside to do this video real quick because, as I said before, the audiologist is here, the psychiatrist, they're here, the attorney, he actually just showed. The defense attorney, he showed up just now. They're actually prepped and ready to fit him with everything. I actually just saw a hearing aid in her hand, and I'm giving you all this update because at this point I really cannot wait to see what the delay will be after today, because both psychiatrists are here. Audiologists, again, they're here. They made their way from another parish. They're here basically in court instead of being in their offices. This is what the defense had ordered and still turned around and is contesting it. So counsel brought them in to prove to the juror. So let's now see, let's hope. What could happen from here is that the jurors for some reason become empathetic, sympathetic, decides he still cannot hear properly or whatever the case is, which would be a big crock. But at this point, what can I say? I don't know what's about to happen, but we're prepped and we're ready, and court is about to resume anytime now, I'm hoping. But I'm here by myself. My mom and aunt are not here today. What's going to happen? I'll be back to inform you. So stay tuned. Journey to Free Heights. Love you. Peace. So yeah, I'm still standing on the ground. Actually changed positions. Now, can't help but wonder what's going on inside, but I'm not gonna say I don't care, because I do care, but I have no control over that. So what I do have control over is me, my emotions, my thoughts at this point. Still trying to be optimistic, and I'm telling myself, regardless of what happens, God's will be done. This thing has taken so many tolls, emotionally, physically, everything. It has affected every area of my life so far. I'm still standing, and I'm still thankful. I'm still fighting, hoping and praying that justice will be served, not just for myself, but for all the other victims and all the other victims that's out there that does not have the courage to talk, does not have the courage to come forth. So as it is right now, I'm doing this for all of us. It's not easy. I would be lying through my teeth if I stood here and told you that this has been a walk in the park. In fact, it's one of the most difficult things I have undertaken in my entire life, and I've had some challenging things to deal with, as you will find out, or you will know eventually. This has been one of them, one of the toughest things that I've had to endure. And I never thought, honest to goodness, I never thought in a million years that I'd be still standing at this point, still having the courage to hold on and to fight, because when you've been knocked down so many times, you tend to become weary and want to quit, throw in the towel, and say it's not even worth it, what's the point? But at the end of the day, I know this much, it is worth it, and I cannot be telling anyone that they matter and it's worth it, and standing up for yourself and seeking justice is worth it when I falter, I quit. It gets challenging, it really is, and it's extremely difficult. But somehow what I had to do was, I don't know where I got the strength from, and I have to just simply say God, because that's the only way. That's the only reason why I'm still standing here, and I have to give God the glory, the honor, and the praise. The fact remains that had it not been for God, there is no way I would still be standing here and somewhat sane. I'm not going to claim to be completely all there, but somewhat sane. So I have to give him the glory. This has been hard, and I've had my moments where I just wanted to die. Literally, I wanted to die. But I'm still here. I'm still standing. And for you that's listening, for you that's watching at this moment, believe me when I tell you that amidst all the craziness, amidst all the fights, amidst the threats, everything that comes with your speaking, you are going to feel so empowered. And I think one of the takeaway from me at the end of all of this is simply this: I did not quit. I held on and I fought it with everything I have, and I didn't give up. So whatever fight is left in me, whatever happens will happen. But at the end of the day, I can honestly look at myself and say, I did stick this out, you know? So win, lose, or draw, the rest remains to be seen. I love you, and I'll talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye. Okay, so it's 1:20 and we just took a break. This is quite hilarious because that man came out, my grandmother's husband, and everyone is coming out for their lunch break, and he went to the bathroom. Apparently he wasn't banking on the fact that they were going to be coming out right behind him. So he went to the bathroom, and my uncle, his son, and decided to have a conversation with him at the bathroom door. And it so happened that the team came out right behind, and my attorney was sitting right next to me at that point. But when we looked across, they were deep in conversation, and he was responding. So funny enough, she yelled out, "Look across." And so we were all sitting there watching this happening. This man that just put on a show that he cannot hear, and you know, with his attorney instructing him on his actions. But yet everyone just saw outside the courthouse them having a conversation. His niece, however, was sitting a bench away from us and heard the commotion and got up and went across and told him to stop, obviously, and he went back to being a deaf and a mute. So this is what's happening, you know, the showcase, the showdown, and all the shenanigans that's happening. At this point, I don't know. I'm still praying, and I'm trusting God that at the end of the day, something will happen in our favor. It's funny. Actually, it's not funny. It's very sad. It's just distasteful. It's every adjective you can come up with. This is my reality currently. I'm still, you know, just chilling. I'm still not allowed to go in. I'm starving because I haven't eaten yet. And again, it's about almost 1:30 now. They resume at 2 o'clock. You know what? I think I probably should go grab something real quick, because even though I'm not allowed to be inside, I'm not allowed to leave either. So I have to be sitting outdoors, and I really don't want to leave and be called and I'm not present. So hungry it is. But I probably just go get something to drink, and I'll come back and update you on all the shenanigans of the day. Just waiting to see what's next. Oh my God. This thing must end one day, and prayerfully soon this too shall pass. I love you guys. I'll be back. Bye.